Welcome. In this video, I will tell you about Cargo Collective Website Builder. Let's begin. Cargo Collective is a website builder designed mainly for artists, designers, and photographers. It offers creative templates and simple layout tools that make it easy to build a stylish portfolio. You don't need any coding skills, and the interface is clean and beginner-friendly. With Cargo, you can upload images, embed videos, and customize your site's design to reflect your personal style. It also supports custom domain connections, so you can create a professional-looking site with your own web address. The minimalist look of Cargo makes it ideal for showcasing visual work without distractions. Whether you're a freelancer or a student putting together a portfolio, it's a great option for building an online presence quickly. So that's basically all about Cargo Collective Website Builder. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.